Do not delay. Apply yourself to the Dharma. Human life is often squandered in a state of plans to do this tomorrow and that the next day, but one day death will surely come for us. And though we might feel regret, it'll be too late. Now then, while we have some autonomy, let's not think too much but endeavor in Dharma. What's more, virtue that's half mixed with vice will not be virtue that is especially powerful. Apply mindfulness and vigilance, therefore, and fully avoid all misdeeds, great or small. Confess past errors and vow not to repeat them. Fruits of actions cannot fail to materialize. Whatever we do will ripen upon us alone. Samsara is not beyond the nature of suffering, and thus to swiftly liberate sentient beings, ourselves and others, we must take refuge, and with a kind heart generate bodhicitta.